Looking at the key fob inside of the Honda Civic SI. So the key fob here, slightly different than the regular Civic because there's no remote start. You've got your Honda logo along the back, front side of the fob. There's the lock button, unlock button, trunk release, horn or panic alarm, and then there's also a release there for the emergency access key. So if the fob's ever died on you, all you're gonna do, gain access to there, to use the mechanical key, and then just drop the key fob there in order to be able to start. There is a walkaway lock feature too. So if you haven't locked the door, it will auto lock for you as you walk away. Getting into the trunk of the ride, so just push and hold in order to be able to unlock. There's a button right there that you can push on top of that. And then one thing is that when the car door is locked, the fuel door is also locked. And then you can also use the key fob for a pretty neat trick. So what you're gonna do is push and hold the unlock button twice and push and hold on the second one. So you're just gonna hold. So you're gonna go 1, 2, and hold. Watch this. So you release it and it's gonna stop. So you just push and hold again in order to continue the process. But it's not only opening up all 4 windows, it also opens up the sunroof. Now, in some international models, you might be able to roll them back up by pushing and holding the lock button twice. Unfortunately, that's not the case in North America. So let's go ahead and start up here. And while this is loading up, if you want walkthroughs, so you want to know how to use the steering wheel buttons, the cluster, the infotainment, you'll find full walkthroughs down in the description of this video. But in order to set all of these things up, so let's swipe away, what you're gonna do, go into your vehicle settings, and then you've got so many different things. So your keyless option, do you wanna get beeps as you go to lock the vehicle? Yay, nay. Your lighting setup, so when you go to lock the vehicle, do the headlights just turn off, or you can keep them on for up to a minute. Same thing with the interior lights. Your door setup is there too, with your door lock, auto lock, and then your walkaway lock. So when you want your doors to automatically lock or unlock, but walk away is if you've forgotten to lock your door. With your key fob on you, you walk away, it'll lock for you. And then you've also got your remote window control. So that's the one where you double push in order to be able to roll down the windows and open up that sunroof there too. And then there are so many other great features inside of the ride. So if you want a full walkthrough on the infotainment, you'll find it down in the description. But that's how you use the key fob inside of the Honda Civic SI.